just getting the lure set on the track. We have a team member out there setting the lure. In case you don't know how this thing works, there is a lure, a doorbell, and a light that all move at the same time, but that does not start the time clock. The time clock doesn't start until the dog breaks a laser at the starting line. And that time clock will continue to run until the dog breaks a laser 100 yards away at the finish line. All right, Lola's making her way in. All right. The bunny hop to begin off the line there, Lola did.
10.28.
All right, Lola with a 10.28. Just a tenth of a second off her heat number one time. But I'll tell you, this is one committed team, Lola and her dad, Mark. They have made every practice and every race since they've joined the league. And this is definitely progress. Lola is going to be moving forward to the semis for the first time in the 14 under-class. First-timer Sitka giving our in-house handler a bit of a issue there. But he got a release.
8.3 on that.
And Sitka came, that says 8.3, but we've got it on word. In-house starter. Excuse me. In-house starter. Unfortunately, she didn't get a clean release. As we get a look here at the lineup for the semifinals. 21 class will be Cartel, Suki, and Morgan. 24, you've got Zelda, Sitka, and Maggie. In the unlimited class, you've got Nikki, Riley, Vengeance, and Red. Right, Biscuits getting us going in the 14 and underclass semifinal here with Handy Capable Pets of Florida.
9.58.
Nice, Biscuit with a 9.58 getting us started in 14 under. I can tell you, you've got Scramble Kirby, Izzy, Storm in the mix. It's going to be tough for a 9.58. You're going to have to run at least in the 8s if you're going to even attempt that in the 14 underclass to get a ticket to the finals. But I do want to remind you to go check out Handy Capable Florida on Facebook. Handy Capable Pets of Florida. We're on the track. We got motorcycle riding badass
9.56.
Storm.
That a girl.
Storm with 3-inch legs with a 9.56, bumping Biscuit right out of first place. Nudges her with a 9.56. Next up, we've got Kirby. Current undisputed top dog, Kirby.
Right.
8.24.
Kirby.
All right, Kirby, Storm, Biscuit,